a snake in Ireland today. The Cavan folks are still going
Now
by.
we have the ladies.
Yes, the
order.
ladies. Okay, that's from the ancient order Hibernians.
Yes, we just saw them for a second. There they are, waving their banners.
Well, they're also one of the honor groups. Their president is Barbara Keeley.
They have 875 members. About 225 are marching down Fifth Avenue today, up Fifth Avenue, I should say.
And we should also mention, I definitely have to give a plug to the people who give us the shamrocks, Maureen. That was Fitzpatrick's Hotel over on 54th and Lexington. And I understand they were growing up by Lorraine over on 54th and Lexington. And I understand they were growing up by Lorraine Kelly and Hilda Garvey. They spend their lunch hour watering the shamrocks.
Well, as we watch them march up Fifth Avenue, we're going to take a quick commercial break, but we'll be live back here on NBC4. Don't go away. More of the parade coming up.
And they have a pipe band with them, and they're the only pipe band in the United States that has permission to wear the Marine uniform.
Well, Tom, they're the first ones in. Any type of danger, they're the first guys there to hold the rest come.
What did they say? Send us a buy and we'll send you back your man. Isn't that their motto?
That's right.
Oh, that red stripe there represents the valor of the Marine Corps.
You know, Maureen, Jimmy Cagney was an honorary member of this corps. The great movie actor.
He was.
Well, you get that sound of that beautiful music. You know, really the bagpipes are not the Irish pipes. The uilleann pipes are the Irish pipes. And the reason it came about, Al, very interesting, you know, the bagpipes were banned at one time by the British authorities in Ireland. So the Irish, being very smart, they said, we're going to form a smaller little pipe. And that's exactly what they did. And they formed the uilleann pipe, which is played with the elbow. And you can play it inside. It doesn't make as much noise as the bagpipes.
Every time I hear them, I want to march. But the thing that gets me is when they start to warm up, I don't like that. But when they start going, you can see where the troops during the medieval days and so forth, where they just piped and they go into war.
They would lead the battle.
Yeah, and they were always out in front. In fact, I think the Germans used to refer to them as the screaming women, because they could see the kilts coming across the hill and they never realized what it was.
Well, this is the Saffron Kilts pipe band from Babylon, New York that you see.
Well, there's so many pipe bands here today, and the reason that Jimmy Cagney became an honorary member of this band was they played in a movie with him, a movie called Terrible Joe Moran. It was about a boxer. I'm not sure I remember that. I think maybe it was the last movie he made, was it, Maureen?
You know, I don't think I've seen that movie.
I think it was the very last one he made, but he really became